Hola, pues me llamo Fernando Rubio, desde ya soy bastante lejos de aquí, tengo familia en Galicia, soy de Cartagena y aquí estamos tocando en Carballo, en un sitio estupendo en este pequeño anfiteatro, pero con muchísimo encanto y muy contento de haber llegado hasta aquí. Me cuesta viajar tanto con los grupos. Me acompaña mi compañero Joaquín Talimán y Paco del Cerro, de mi grupo que se llama Los Inner Demons, Ingenieros Interiores, y bueno, pues aquí tenemos el disco, el último que hemos sacado en directo, un concierto del año pasado, y bueno, pues aquí estamos meneando nuestro material, que les guste.
Back on the days when I was reborn again. Then she sent me the rain, I just couldn't help crying, 'cause there was nothing else that I knew more. Without a single word, just the rain and her smile. Back in the days when I was reborn again. Back in the days when I was reborn again. Dedicated a song to me when I just couldn't help crying, like I hid in the paper right day after day. Every single song was a calling to the light. Back on the days when I was reborn again. When I was reborn again. The pain that I caused here, singing and whispering to my ears, though I know I couldn't hear. And the voice of your love made my heart beat again. Back on the days when I was reborn again. The days when I was reborn again.
Esta canción era Reborn Again, recién vuelto a nacer. La que viene ahora se titula Wandering Aloud, que es algo así como pensando en voz alta. Una canción de la época del confinamiento y esas cosas. Son momentos raros.
alone. If ever hold the canvases and laughter, the wall, I'm in a field with flags, dividing us and them. We always fail to keep from freedom hunger. Praying aloud for salvation. Do you know no cat will hear? Rubbing your eyes by the vision. Refuse to disappear. The sun made some flowers bloom between the concrete squares. And for a while you'll feel a little warmer. Don't stop till you're tired enough and your body hurts. Or maybe you can sleep a little longer. And time runs in a funny way. And time conquers today. And words so in bones are now full of emptiness. Praying aloud for salvation. Well, you know no cat will hear. Running your eyes by the vision. Refuse to disappear. I wish that you could stay a little longer. How I miss living like it again. I wish that you could stay a little longer. How I miss living like it again.
Muchas gracias. Una canción del último disco, de los dos últimos, porque es del penúltimo y el último que es en directo también la llama. Esta se llama It Ain't Over. Esto no se acaba.
I'm hanging on the telephone, so tired of waiting alone. So many things I could have done. And for a moment I could stop thinking of you. It was a cool thing the other night. over till it's over. I'm gonna fight with all my might to conquer you. Now that I've seen the treasure, feel the pressure. It's like my whole life was directed towards you. Yeah, it's you. Well, I heard that you had seen again. I guess it must be hard to end. We've been together for too long. But maybe you're mistaken, Lord, yeah, for love. Easy, it won't be easy. You got your life, babe, and now all is gone. Back inside you. It's over. I'm gonna fight with all my might to conquer you. Now that I feel that pressure, it's like my whole life was directed towards you. That's what I'm gonna do. That's what I'm gonna do. I'm on towards you. That's what I'm gonna do.
Bueno, venimos de muy lejos, de lo más lejos casi que se puede venir de España, nosotros de Cartagena y él de Murcia, y estamos, no sabéis la ilusión que nos hace llegar hasta aquí, hasta Galicia. Yo tengo mucha familia aquí en Galicia y ascendentes, y en fin, me siento muy unido a esta tierra. Muchas gracias por traernos. Adiós. Les presento a mis compañeros a la percusión y voces y alguna guitarra, Paco de Cerro, compañero también de Fantastic Fan. Y a las guitarras eléctricas, Joaquín Talismán.
Bueno, yo quiero agradecer personalmente tanto a Javier como a ti, que no sé cómo te llamas todavía, José Ra, el dueño de esta... Me han dejado la guitarra, hemos venido en avión y nos han dejado la guitarra, esta Rickenbacker preciosa y una guild que hay ahí, que voy a tocar ahora después, son de Javier, y de José Ra esta Strato, que es una preciosidad. Muchas gracias.
Os aviso que Joaquín tiene su propia carrera como compositor y cantante y tiene un disco último que se llama Limites, que no podéis despreciar, tenéis que escucharlo y conseguirlo. Atentos. Este se llama Meteor Showers.
the hill of the ancient tower. The stains of the year, meteor showers. In the stifling heat of night, look for the cold in the darkness. For above, there's a bunch of the stars about to fall. The midnight wind stars hung in the ocean. Sounds like sights of relief, filled with emotion. I feel grateful that I'm here under the heat of the sun. There's a bunch of stars ready to fall. The buses will be hard to see with the walks in Midwest moon. This time is right before dawn. There's no place I'm going to. Moving over the hill, to the hill. Shine over me. I really need it. Flowing in the endless sea, into the trail of the comet. For above, there's a bunch of stars about to fall.
La que viene ahora es la que daba título al penúltimo disco que hicimos y se titula Stay Cool, que es como mantén la calma, cuando la cosa se ponga un poco fea. Things are going, turn back to us. Stay
fighting their own universe. Stay cool. You try so hard but you can't keep your word. Stay cool. When you look forward, everything is good. Stay cool. There's nothing we can do. Stay cool. We move forward, everything is good. Stay cool. Don't fall. Stay cool. Don't tell me that it could be worse. When I feel like I'm under a curse, I can't find no comfort in that. Sometimes I get a black comedy. It's something you can take it too seriously. The thing you can do is laugh. Come on. Stay cool. Stay cool. Don't tell me that it could be worse. When I feel like I'm under the curse, I can't find no comfort in that. Sometimes life is a black comedy. It's something you can take it too seriously. The thing you can do is laugh. Don't fool. Stay cool.
Bueno, aquí tenemos guitarras muy buenas, pero a veces una guitarra china barata te saca del paso. A veces se llama cheap Chinese guitar. You may own a cheap Chinese guitar or an American pre-war one, wearing sandals, cowboy hat, or sparkling rings. You may be trancing them of your rhythm and blues and soul. Maybe playing diamond bar in your 70s. Maybe you can tell my heart all the latest trending bands. Or you may only need
all the mother's kids and used to fall. Maybe you never know the name, all the love you're playing. Make a living out of these, you and me, a millionaire. Most of the time you spend your little money. Okay, with you, I don't mind what you need to make my soul sing alone again. So that if you only see barefoot on the Persian rock, it makes your song ring true. I don't care what track you take, always the guy that you adore. If it makes your song ring true, oh my own song ring true. Okay, I'm with you. I don't mind what you need to make my soul sing along again. Will you make my soul sing along again? You may only pretend if you talk.
La que viene ahora también sale en el último disco, se titula Give What You Don't Have. Y dice más o menos que a veces puedes dar lo que no tienes, pero no puedes tener lo que no das.
The enemy of the good. always the best me, the enemy of the good. I've been down to my hardest days, and I believe every word I say. You can give what you don't have, but you can't have what you don't need. Ooh. You can give what you don't have, but you can't have what you don't need. Ooh. You can give what you don't have, but you can't have what you don't need. You can give what you don't have, but you can't have what you don't need.
Vamos a hacer una versión que Joaquín y yo hemos tocado muchas veces juntos. Una canción muy antigua. Nosotros la vimos por Bill Bronzy y se llama Why Don't You Come Home, Bill Bailey.
Un momento.
La guitarra a veces deja de sonar. Tiene un poco de concertado.
Vamos al lío. Un, dos, tres.
Why don't you come home, dear baby? Why don't you come home? She cried there all night long. Baby, that rainy evening, you throw me out with nothing but a fine tooth comb. Why don't you come home, dear baby? Why don't you come home? She moaned, yes, she groaned all night through. It's a shame, but I know that I'm to blame. So dear baby, won't you please come home? Why don't you come home, dear baby? Why don't you come home? She cried the whole night long. I'll do the washing, honey, I'll pay the rent, although you done me wrong. Why don't you come home, dear baby? Why don't you come home? She moaned, yes, she groaned all night through. It's a shame, but I know that I can play. Pretty baby, won't you please come home? come home, dear lady? Why don't you come home? She's right there all night long. Dear lady, that's me. leaving, throw me out, nothing but a fine tooth comb. Why don't you come home, little baby? Why don't you come home? Come on, just be wrong all night through. Release the shame. But I know that I'm to blame. So be away. Would you please? Come back home.
Bueno, vamos a aprovechar, aquí estuvo antes que nosotros nuestro amigo y compañero de grupo de Fantastic Fan, Nacho Para, presentando un libro sobre Harrison. Nacho escribía, hacía canciones, en fin. Solo recordarlo, aunque nosotros siempre lo recordamos, es así, Nacho para nosotros siempre está muy presente. Vamos a hacer una canción que compuso Paco con él, que se llama Down the River. Paco de River.
Everybody has been waiting. Everybody has been waiting for it. When you close our world, when you gone away, I did not know that there's nothing more that you understand. Feels me here on the sunny bed. Oh, down the river, the tide is alone. You'll find where to go. Everybody has been waiting. Everybody has been waiting for it all.
Gracias. Pablo Alfonso. Bueno, una canción bonita donde las haya, que habla del primer amor a los 13 años de Big Star, 13.
Cejilla.
Mi compañero comienza con una cejilla. Y ahora veréis que sigue mucho más bonita.
Won't you let me walk you home from school? Won't you let me meet you at the pool? Maybe Friday I can get tickets for the dance. And I'll take you. Won't you tell your dad, get off my back? Tell you what we said about painted black. Rock and roll is here to stay. Come inside where it's okay. And I'll share you. Won't you tell me what you're thinking now? Would you be in love for my love? If it's so, let me know. If it's no, then I'll go. I won't make so long ago, time had never run so slow. Traveling south to meet you. Brand new love, maybe you'll hear plenty of brand new games to play. Doing my best to know you. Morning used to come too soon. All we needed was inside a tiny room. Time gone, you were so right. Some of them have lost their way. We made our own mistakes. Time has changed some of the words, but the tune remains the same. It sounds good to me today. Morning used to come too soon. All we needed was inside the tiny room. Tides will come and go, and every day the setting sun will make shadows grow. One more love will burn tonight, our love, keeping us warm, keeping us warm. Tides will come and go, every day the setting sun will make shadows grow. One more love will burn tonight, our love.
Muchas gracias. Bueno, una canción que se titula Same Race, que es como la misma carrera que es la que corremos los de mi generación, que estábamos en los años 80 vestidos de negro en los bares, y algunos seguimos aquí. Y se la voy a dedicar a mi familia, que está ahí arriba, y especialmente a una persona muy querida. Esta va para Ana, que está en la campeona.
In the 80s you would always dress in black, pretty little rebel girl, serious and wild. We were the last to leave and the first to come. It's good to be in the same race that you run. When I don't think about you for a long time, you at the first glance. Funny that you still got that jacket on. It's good to be in the same race that you run. Well, it's so good to see you rise again. So good to see you shine again. So good to see you rise again. Never end. Your eyes tell me that you leave 1,000 lies. Never heard you complain, you were too wise to there are few things you can't control. I don't want to be in the race if you don't run. But it's so good to see you rise again. So good to see you shine again. So good to see you rise again. Makes me feel the sun will never end.
Muchas gracias. Es la misma carrera que tenemos unos cuantos todavía.
La otra no.
Si tú quieres, lo tocamos. Vamos a hacer una versión de un grupo de los 80 que se llamaba Rock Pile. Una cosa muy rápida. Ahora veréis.
Esa, vale. ¿Qué es esa?
Cambio de pareja.
Todo esto es porque lleva la mejor camisa que llevamos todos y que la veis por delante, por detrás. El espectáculo es lo fundamental. Aprovecho para agradecer al Ayuntamiento de Carballo y a su alcalde y a quien nos ha traído aquí porque estamos en la gloria. Es un sueño llegar hasta aquí, tan lejos, en este sitio tan chulo. Vale, vale.
Ahora suena.
Un aplauso para
A ver, esto es un tema de Rock Pile. A ver.
Acuérdate que la cantas tú.
Vamos. Un, dos, tres.
Coming out of Frankie's, everybody's gone. The player was playing something really gone. Some people, they are dancing, another clap their hands. Some other, they were lying, making sweet romance. And the other is going later, and the party had sure been fun. And when Frankie said, come on, break it up, everybody spoke out as one. Play that fast thing one more time. That's something to me, and it sure feels fine. Play that fast thing one more time. Gonna be some action. If we don't get satisfaction, then no one in the building till we play it one more time. Another time when the cameras, there was 44 more to go. Somebody said, don't make it to the hotel room, because we
you back and come right back and say, baby, you come too soon. Go later, and the party had sure been fun. And when Frankie said, come on, break it up, everybody forgot that one. Play that fast thing one more time. That's something to me, and sure feels fine. Play that fast thing one more time. Gonna get it over. Don't you dare turn it over. Say one more time. Jumping down the eyes on the memory of their faces, how it made them both smile. Somebody said, let's make it to the hotel room. But I'll flee back and come right back and say, baby, you spoke too soon. Play that fast thing one more time. That's something to me, I sure feel fine. Play that fast thing one more time. Gonna get some action. If you don't say satisfaction, say no one can do this till we play it one more time. That's something to me, I sure feel fine. Play that fast thing one more time. Gonna get it over. Don't you dare turn it over. Say no one is a feeling till we play it one more time.
Bueno, nos vamos a despedir. Esta se llama You Know, I Know. Y es la última que vamos a ver esta noche. Os recuerdo que tenemos discos a la venta. Muchas gracias por venir, de verdad.
Cigarettes in your hand. You were quite disgusted. You were also a little sad. Tell me you were fed up, and this time I want me to laugh. Wait a minute, darling. You know you often go too fast. Well, I'm not proud of what I did. You know, sometimes I'm proud. I know well what you're going through. I know how hard you were. But believe me when I tell you, you didn't even hurt you at all. When I mean it, darling, you know I hate to see you go. 'Cause you know, I know, we don't know the sun's gonna shine.
talismán, ya lo sabéis. Vamos a decirlo, cantando un campeón. Sun's gonna shine again. Sun's gonna shine again. Sun's gonna shine. Sun's gonna shine. Sun's gonna shine again. Sun's gonna shine. Sun's gonna shine again. 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 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. ¿Alguna si queréis?
Sí, sí.
Sí, venga, va. Una más.
Somos muy facilones con Mercedes. Claro que si te ha hecho 1000 kilómetros, no vas a tocar una más.
Y aquí vinimos.
Exactamente. Venid para. Bueno, vamos a hacer una que no es nuestra, pero que siempre es muy entrañable. Oh, I wanna love you and treat you right. I wanna love you every day and every night. We'll be together here with the roof right over our heads. We'll share the share of my single bed. We'll share the same roof, yeah. For God provide the bread. This is love, this is love, this is love, this is love that I'm
throw my cards on your table. I wanna love you, I wanna love and treat you, love and treat you right. I wanna love you every day and every night. We'll be together here. With the roof right over our heads, we'll share the shelter of my single bed. We'll share the same roof, yeah. Jah provide the bread. Is this love, is this love, is this love, is this love that I'm feeling? This love, is this love, is this love, is this love that I'm feeling? Whoa, whoa. Oh yes I know, yes I know, yes I know now. Oh yes I know, yes I know, yes I know now. I'm feeling unable. Oh I throw my cards on your table. Is this love, is this love, is this love, is this love that I'm feeling? Love, 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 love that I'm feeling. Is this love, is this love, is this love, is this love that I'm feeling? Love, 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 love that I'm feeling. Whoa, whoa, whoa.
Muchas gracias.